Let's talk about building an AI chatbot that your customers will actually love using. Seriously. We're going to break down the playbook for creating a bot that doesn't just spit out answers, but genuinely helps your business. And you'll see pretty quickly that it's less about being a coding genius and way more about smart, human-focused design.
I mean, this is the dream, right? Picture it. It's 11 p.m. on a Sunday. Your customer has a problem. Instead of firing off an annoyed email and waiting, they click your chatbot and bam! Instant answer. Problem solved. This isn't about replacing people. It's about being there in the moments that matter. That's a happy customer and one less ticket in your queue. It's the ultimate win-win.
And you know the stakes here are really, really high. A good chatbot feels like absolute magic. It solves problems, makes people happy, and saves you a ton of money. But a bad one? Oh, it's a total nightmare. It frustrates people, hurts your brand, and ironically creates more work for your human team. Our whole goal today is to make sure we land firmly on the magic side of that line.
Okay, so where do we start? Well, the very first decision you gotta make is choosing the right tool for the job. You can think of this like picking out your materials before you start building a house. What you choose right here at the beginning is going to define everything your chatbot can and can't do down the road.
So let's break down the three main flavors you've got. On one end of the spectrum, you've got your simple, rule-based bots. They're cheap and predictable, but if a customer asks something in a weird way, they completely fall apart. Then you have the super powerful AI bots. They feel incredibly human, but they cost more, and you gotta watch out, they can sometimes make stuff up. And then there's the hybrid model, which honestly is often the sweet spot, giving you the best of both worlds.
So here's the bottom line. Rule-based bots are your workhorses. They're perfect for those simple, high-volume questions, like what are your business hours? But the AI-powered bots? They're your conversational specialists. They handle the messy, nuanced ways that real people actually talk. Knowing which kind of problem you're trying to solve is absolutely key to picking the right tool.
All right, once you've picked your materials, it is time to draw up the blueprints. And listen, here's the big secret. A truly great chatbot isn't built on flashy tech. Nope. It's built on a deep understanding of what your customers are actually trying to do. It all comes down to the design.
This right here is probably the single biggest mistake that businesses make. We just assume we know what our customers are going to ask. But assumptions are so dangerous in this game. The real key to a fantastic chatbot is to throw all your guesses out the window and go straight to the data.
And here's exactly how you do that. Step 1, go dig into your last 1,000 support tickets. I'm serious. Find those top 5 or 10 questions that are constantly clogging up your inbox. That right there, that's your chatbot gold. Now, step 2 is just as important. Plan for failure. Your bot isn't going to solve every single problem, so you have to design a super smooth handoff to a human that doesn't make the customer repeat themselves.
And this just shows you the night and day difference. We've all experienced a bad handoff, right? The bot just says, I can't help, talk to support. It's a dead end, and you have to start all over. It's infuriating. But a good handoff, that's a warm transfer. The chatbot acts like a helpful assistant, gathering all the info so the human agent can jump right in and solve the problem. The customer feels heard, not handed off.
Okay, we've got our tools, we've got our blueprint. Now it's time for the foundation. You can have the best designed chatbot in the world, but without a solid knowledge base to draw from, it's just an empty shell. This might just be the most important piece of the entire puzzle.
I really want this to sink in, because it is the fundamental truth of AI chatbots. A super smart AI with a junky knowledge base is still going to give junky answers. It really is that simple. Garbage in, garbage out. The quality of your information is everything.
So what does a strong foundation actually look like? Well, it's not just a messy folder of random documents. It's a really well-organized library. You need clear FAQs, step-by-step guides, product info, all the basics. And look at that last point. This isn't a one-and-done thing. Your knowledge base is a living, breathing system that needs constant updates and care.
Okay, here's a term you're going to want to know, RAG. You see, sometimes AI models can hallucinate, which is a fancy way of saying they just make stuff up. RAG is like a safety net. It forces the AI to look through your approved knowledge base to find the facts before it opens its mouth. This keeps the bot grounded in your company's reality, not just random info from the internet.
So, you've built your bot, you've fed it all this great knowledge. Now, how do you know if it's actually working? The final piece of this journey is all about measurement. This is how we find out if all this work is actually paying off. What's the real return on investment?
These are the numbers that really matter. First, resolution rate. Is the bot actually solving problems? Then, deflection rate. Is it saving your human team from answering the same questions over and over? And of course, the big ones, customer satisfaction and cost per resolution. Are your customers actually happy with the experience? And is this thing saving you money?
Let's make that whole cost-saving idea crystal clear. We're going to look at the average cost to solve a customer's problem with a human agent versus doing it with a chatbot. First up, let's look at the human agent.
When you factor in salary, benefits, software, all of it, the average cost for a single support interaction handled by a person is about $20, okay? $20. Now hold that number in your head.
And now look at the chatbot. The average cost for a fully automated resolution? Around 50 cents. I'm not kidding. $20 versus 50 cents. The ROI here isn't just obvious, it's absolutely transformative. Even a small number of deflected tickets adds up to massive savings.
So as we wrap this all up, let's just come back to the core philosophy. The tech is incredible, but trust is everything. Your goal should never be 100% automation. It should be 100% customer satisfaction. An honest bot that knows its own limits and gracefully asks for help is infinitely more valuable than a bot that's a confident liar. And that's really the question I want to leave you with. As you go out and build or improve your own chatbot, just keep asking yourself this one thing. Are we building for honesty and helpfulness, or are we just chasing automation? Because the answer to that question will decide whether you've built a magical tool for your business or a frustrating liability.